KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my pork and mushroom ramen. This tastes amazing and it's real easy to do. Let's get on with it. Alright, first thing I've got is 3 boiled eggs, which I've just boiled for 3.5 minutes and shelled, and here I am just giving them a little dose of some tamari soy, real intense, beautiful, natural, ancient type flavour. I'm going to put those eggs in there and let them soak for a little bit. I'm going to add in some chicken stock. I'm going to put in a litre here, straight into a nice big large saucepan, and I'm going to put in another litre here, straight into the saucepan. I'm just using a store-bought chicken stock. You can use your homemade if you want to. I'm going to add in a tablespoon's worth of red miso. That can go straight into our stock as well, and that miso is going to give us a nice little saltiness and a little bit of oomph and flavour. Now here I've got 3 large button mushrooms, big buttons, believe me, and I've cut those up nice and thin. I'm just going to put that straight into our stock, just like I am doing right there, and we're bringing this stock up to a nice gradual heat. Alright, no need to go real hard on this, and this meal will only take around about 30 minutes in total to cook. Okay, so it's not the end of the world. It's not one of those complicated type dishes. So we're just going to let those sit, heat up and cook off a little bit. As you can see, we've got some steam happening now and a few bubbles around our mushrooms. I'm going to add in around about a tablespoon's worth of mirin. Right, that can go straight in, and I'm going to add in a couple of teaspoons worth of that tamari soy that our eggs are sitting in. It's going to give us that nice little extra layer of saltiness. That can go straight in. Little dash of fish sauce, and about sort of a half a teaspoon's worth. That can go straight in, and that's going to make you a Cheats type miso type stock. Little dash of garlic paste, just a little pinch, about half a clove's worth, just to take the edge off everything else. Let's assemble this. Mrs. KP has already got our noodles on the other side of the kitchen. She's brought those over to where we film our videos. She's going to put some of those noodles straight down in the bottom of the bowl, just like that. How easy. And make sure you spill it on the bench, otherwise you are not doing it right. I've even taught Mrs. KP how to do that. Right, so just using a little strainer, we're going to take out some of those beautiful mushrooms that we've just cooked our stock in. Right, they can go straight in on the side. Now here I've got a bit of leftover pork schnitzel. If you don't know how to make pork schnitzel, if you don't have tonkatsu pork, I'll try and leave a description in below on how to make tonkatsu pork. Leftover pork schnitzel is the best. You could also use chicken if you want to. Ladle your stock straight over the top, just like that, and that's going to reheat our pork and everything else. Now I've added in a little bit of fresh baby spinach in there, and that's going to make a nice little green. If you want to, you could use some bok choy if you don't have baby spinach. Alright, how easy and simple is this to do? We're going to cut our egg in half nice and carefully. It's the perfect 3.5 minute egg, and if you don't know how to do that, there are plenty of recipes on this channel where I do these eggs. I do them for salads, I do them for soups, I do them for Christmas, I do them for Easter. It doesn't really matter, but 3.5 minute egg, in that goes, and finish that off with a little bit of finely chopped spring onion or scallion, and before you know it, you've got KP's pork and mushroom ramen. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. It is quite easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get known KP's Kingdom out there. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make something pretty quick using a little bit of leftovers and just things that I keep in the cupboard, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my pork and mushroom ramen, and I will catch you next time. Bye.